In the forests of New Zealand lives one of the strangest and rarest parrots on Earth. The kakapo is nocturnal and unable to fly, yet it's one of the heaviest parrots in the world. Mossy feathers and an owl-like face let it vanish into the undergrowth, a green giant hiding in the forest. Despite being a parrot, the kakapo walks on the forest floor, searching for food under the cover of night. With patient steps and a keen sense of smell, it uncovers tender shoots and fallen fruit in the mossy carpet. The kakapo reminds us how unique life can be.